Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the Connect 10.1 inch tablet, Windows tablet. As you can see here in my video, it's generally in the UK. It is marketed by Tesco, so that's why they say even Tesco Connect 10.1 inch tablet with Windows 10. And you can see here on the cover on the box. And the good part about this tablet is it comes with MS Office, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and even uh, other office apps. Is 1 year subscription is free. In general it costs maybe around £30 or so for a subscription based online MS Office software packages, where you can use the software package to read, write or any other normal MS Office applications, where you can do with normal PC or a tablet. So you can see on this side it contains Connect with Windows 10, and here is the processor. It contains Intel inside, Intel Atom processor. It contains with Windows 10 software, and on this side you can see Connect 10-inch tablet. And on the back of this box it contains some more details. As you can see on this, it contains an Intel Atom processor with Windows 10 Home Edition, which includes again Word, Mobile, Excel and MS PowerPoint along with OneNote. It's actually 10.1 inch tablet. The screen is capacitive LCD display, 32 gigs of internal ROM with 1 gigs of RAM speed, and it is only the Wi-Fi model what I have right now with me, but this tablet also can comes in other modes, 3G or 4G mode, and it is having Bluetooth 4, 2 megapixels of front and back side cameras, and the battery capacity is, it says 4 to 6 hours. To me it may not last more than 4 hours, but for the money what I spent, which is not more than £65 something around, which is much worth when I compared to any other tablet, Windows tablet, which I may spend more than £150 and above. Take for example a Samsung product. So this is good value for money, and it is having a mini HDMI with which you can connect this tablet to a bigger screen, say about a PC monitor or a HDMI smart TV or normal TV with HDMI port. And the most important aspects of this tablet and what it contains, I'm going to show you the other video, but in this video I just would like to show you what this box contains. I'm just showing this as an unboxing video, and I'm just going to open this, what it contains. As I said that this tablet is marketed by marketed by Tesco in UK, and so they say even Tesco Connect, and it comes with 7-inch, 8-inch and 10.1 inch. Here it is, the 10.1 inch tablet. It is nicely packed in a polythene cover, and I'm just taking away this cover. You can see nice tablet, and the good thing about it is it comes with screen protector. You can see here it is glued all together already, and so you don't need to take much tension to buy a separate screen protector. So just peel it off, you are done. So, and it is nicely looking tablet, though the bezel size is a bit higher, plastic body, and the thinness is also not too good, but as I said, for the value for the money is good. The more money you spend, the better the product you get. Of course you can use this tablet with an external keyboard or something like it. You can make it as a tablet come normal laptop with this port. So if you can have a keyboard which is again sold by Tesco, which is quantum keyboard, or you can say something similar kind of keyboards, you can use it, where this port connects to that and communicates. And here are the ports. What it is 3.5 mm headphone jack, and sorry for the video clarity. Hope I can. Here is here is the mini HDMI port, and here is the charging port where you can use as micro USB, and here is again the USB port. So it contains one USB, one mini USB, one mini HDMI port, and SD card slot here. So it can take up to 32 gigs of SD card slot, and the charging port here is, which it can use as micro USB port with a one USB, so you can connect to a PC to charge it even. And so here is 3.5 mm headphone jack. You can see here the symbols here, on off button. Sorry, here is sorry for the quality of the video. Now it is better clear in this video thing.